Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I hadn't taken a video for a while, so I wanted to give you a quick comparison video of the two trucks that I've got here. Both of these trucks are virtually identical on the exterior. These are 2018 and 2019 F-150 Limiteds. So the limited trim level in a half-ton truck is the highest trim level you can get from Ford. You can always tell it's a limited by the brushed aluminum grille on the front there. They also have a limited badge up on the top there where you can see it says limited. And then also on the limited trim level, the only way to get a 22-inch wheel is through this trim. So that's the only OEM 22-inch wheel that you can get, and that's offered in the limited. So the white one here is the 2019 and the silver one here is the 2018. This 2018's got 8,200 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It's a certified pre-owned unit. I'll tell you a little bit about the certified pre-owned unit here in a minute. We've got this truck listed for sale at $55,980. It's absolutely immaculate. I have walked around it thoroughly. It doesn't have any cosmetic defects, scratches, scrapes, bops, or anything like that. So with Ford certified pre-owned units, they basically go through a more thorough inspection than a normal used car inspection. They check every, hose clamp, fluids, all that good stuff. Once they do give it the certified pre-owned certification, basically what that does is that's going to give you more warranty. So bumper to bumper coverage is going to be extended by 1 year or 12,000 miles. On top of that, they're going to take your powertrain warranty from 60,000 miles to 100,000 miles. That's all included in the price. Like I said, we've got this truck listed for $55,980. It's stickered for $67,860. It's here and for sale. If you've got any questions, we'll put up my number down in here. You can give me a call. We can get you some more information about it. On the exterior, you don't see a lot of differences between the 18 and the 19. It's all in the cab and under the hood. So in 2018, it had the 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor, which put out 365 horsepower. The 2019, I'll tell you a little bit more about that. They've hopped it up. You can see in 2018 here on the interior, they had kind of a navy interior color. They only did this for 1 year here recently. Ford has changed the interior color the past couple of years. I don't know if they're trying to get it dialed in or if they're just interested in doing something different every year. But as you can see, it's got a really nice kind of blue jean, really soft leather color to it. I really like it. Now on the other hand, with my 2019, Ford has changed the interior to make it synonymous with the Super Duty limited interior. So you can see this interior is a two-tone chocolate and cream. They call this Camelback. So this is the only interior option that you can get on an F-150 Limited for the 2019 year. I really like it. It's super soft. I think it looks great. I think it's cool that it looks the same as the Super Duties. So anytime you see a Limited that's relatively new, whether it's a half-ton or a 1-ton, it's going to have this interior. This truck's white platinum metallic, so it's got the sparkle fleck in it. It's not the Oxford white, which I call work truck white. In my opinion, the biggest difference between the 2018 and the 2019, in 2019, Ford took the RAPTOR powertrain and actually put it in these limited trucks. So instead of the 365 horsepower like they had in 2018, this one's got 450 horsepower. So that's the only way to get this 450 horsepower motor, aside from the RAPTOR, is this limited trim level. So, it is ready to go. It's more of a street truck than an off-road truck, but they're sharp. I'll put my 1-800 number where you guys can get in touch with me directly. We're the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Again, this is Austin with Hunt Ford. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and until next time.